Let's understand Auto Mode inside the toolkit. Auto Mode automatically selects the right tools based on your query, so you don't have to switch between tools manually. Enter a prompt to research top SaaS CRM tools for small businesses, analyze their pricing and positioning, compare it with your uploaded CSV data, identify gaps and trends, and generate a positioning along with landing page visuals. As the response is generated, the system starts working across multiple steps. It performs web research and analyzes your uploaded file to compare internal data with external insights. Based on this, it identifies gaps, trends, and builds a clear positioning strategy. It also generates visual concepts for landing pages to bring that strategy to life. All of this happens in a single flow, without manually selecting any tools. The model understands your intent and automatically uses the right capabilities at each step. So instead of switching between research, analysis, and creative tools, Auto Mode brings everything together in one seamless workflow.